Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to show you how you can blur your background in your images using Adobe Photoshop 2022. Let's start this video. Before start this video, make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest and amazing Photoshop videos. Let's start the video. First of all, go to your Photoshop and create a new composition. Now import the photo like this. Now you can see we have to go this bird to blur. Now click on select and you can see here, click on filters, and now you can see here blur gallery and click on iris blur and wait few seconds like this. And you can also adjust the blur quantity here like this. The focus blur, it also called a focus blur. I hope you can easily understand what I want. You can also adjust this radius from here, and you can also scroll this like here like this. I increase this like this. Okay, now click on OK and wait few seconds to render it like this. Now go to this file and now you can see here camera raw filter for the color gliding of this image. Now get started, and now you can see here many menus are here like this. Now the main menu is color gliding. You can also adjust the colors of this image like this and make amazing videos and photos like this. Okay, just give me few seconds to adjust the colors of this picture. Now go to the color mixers and see what are the main colors are in this picture. The green one, add the green and also yellow, and also you can add it the blue color. You can see here the sparrow wings are colors are changed like this. I like this one, and now click on OK and you can see a beautiful wallpaper. Now let's have a look on another picture. Now you can see, unlock this layer and go to filter and go to blur gallery and go to the iris blur and choose the blur what you need. We are focusing on this parrot, and now like this. Increase the blur. Now click on OK and wait few seconds to render this image. Now also click on filters and click on camera raw filter. Scroll down and go to color grading and adjust the colors for your requirements. I like these colors. Go to color mixer and green one. Increase the green one and yellow one here. Click on OK, and now you can see the we are added the beautiful picture here. I also like this image very much. So that's in the today video. If you like this video, leave a comment in this video and make sure you don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.